In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam region and buy games. If you've moved to a new country or your store, pricing doesn't match where you actually live. Updating your Steam store country helps align currency, taxes, and available content with your current location. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share important tips so you avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening Steam, either in the desktop client or in a web browser. Look to the top right of the window. You'll see your account name next to your profile picture. Click your account name to open the menu. This is where Steam groups personal and purchase settings, and it's the quickest way to reach your account controls without digging through different tabs. From that menu, click Account Details. This takes you to your account overview page, which lists your contact information, security settings, and everything tied to purchases. Take a moment to confirm you're signed into the correct account, since region settings apply to that specific profile. On the account details page, find the store and purchase history section. Here, click Update Store Country. This is the control that tells Steam which country your store should reflect, so prices, currency, and certain regional features match where you live now. A few important notes before you proceed further on that screen. Steam expects your store country to match your actual place of residence. They may automatically verify this using your IP address or payment method, and in some cases may request additional confirmation. Using tools to appear in another location can violate Steam's rules and may restrict your account's purchasing abilities. If you've recently moved, make sure your information is accurate and consistent. Changing your store country can affect currency display, tax calculation, and which payment options are available. Existing wallet balances are typically tied to a currency and may not convert automatically. Also, region restrictions can apply to certain games, downloadable content, gifting, and pricing. If something looks different after the change, that's usually because availability varies by country. Once you've clicked to update store country, your Steam store will reflect the new region for browsing and purchases. If prices don't refresh immediately, give it a little time and revisit the store page. After the change, you can shop as you normally do, and you should see totals in the new currency during checkout. That's all there is to it. Click your account name, select account details, and choose Update Store Country. Keep your information accurate, follow Steam's guidelines, and you'll have a smoother experience buying games that match your current location. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.